Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how you can do faceless affiliate marketing. You can see that there is a guide on the bottom. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from part 1, 2, 3, etc. and of course to subscribe. Today I want to start a new series about 2-tier affiliate programs. Over the next series of videos, I want to give you a short explanation of the 2-tier affiliate program structure and give you example of the best programs and show you how to easily register and approve for them. In this video, I will take an overview look at the 2-tier affiliate program structure and talk about the benefits. Okay, so what is a 2-tier affiliate program? In 2-tier affiliate program, you earn a commission on your referral and also on the sales of referrals of an affiliate introduced by you. It is a hierarchical referral network of sign-up partners and sub-partners. For example, you can earn a 30% commission for each referral and also a 10% commission for each of the referrals of an affiliate introduced by you. It's important to know that it's not an MLM structure or a pyramid or something like that. It's a good structure of just 2 tiers. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits. The first one, you can make a recurring ongoing income. Also, some of the 2 tiers affiliate networks pay a lifetime commission. And your time is limited, but in 2 tiers, the time is multiplied by the number of the affiliate below you. You can use other skills. For example, you can be a Facebook expert and other affiliate can be a SEO expert. Also, you can use the other affiliate's asset. For example, they have a list of subscriber or a Facebook audience that they already collected in other campaign and you can use it. You can use other language skills, for example, affiliate that know Spanish. Your budget is limited, but together you will have a huge budget. You can be a part-time affiliate that work in other job, but in the same time you will have a full-time affiliates below you. Okay, so this is just a short introduction about 2-tier affiliate programs. In the next videos in this series, I will show you example of the best 2 tiers affiliate programs and how you can assign for them. Thanks.